Hello there, my name is Emin Mamedov. I'm representing company Sputnik, and in this video I want you to show the difference between leads and deals. For some reason, many clients don't understand what the difference between leads and deals, and I want to explain what the difference is. So in fact, actually you have two options: to use leads or do not use leads, or use only deals. So if you will go to deals, for example, go to this gear wheel and go to CRM mode. You can select Simple CRM or Classic CRM. Simple CRM means only deals and contacts, no leads and leads. Classic CRM means leads, deals plus contacts. So in our case, we need to use Classic CRM. So we got leads and we got deals. Also we got contacts. So leads is an object where you can store some contact data from your clients, which you're not sure if they're clients or not. For example, if you got CRM forms, or you got incoming emails, or you got any lead source, but you're not sure if you're potential customers or not. So all such data you need to store in leads. But when you done the qualification of that contact data, and now you're sure that this is potential clients, you need to convert them deals immediately. And the thing is that if you, for example, any contacts you got is your potential client, so you don't need to use leads. Just go to Jitwheel and use Simple CRM without leads, and you will have only deals. So, for example, if we go back to Classic CRM mode, we create in a lead. And we call it, for example, test 1, and you put some currency, and in our video I'll explain what's the difference between contact data here, contact data here, but for now I'll put just some data here. So you got leads, and then you move that leads from different stages. Then you understand that this contact data is good for you as a potential client. So then you convert them, good lead, and then you need to create deal plus contact, deal contact plus company, or just a deal. So that means that if you will convert that deal to contact plus company, you'll create contact here, you'll create a company, and also you'll create a deal, and contact and company will be assigned to that deal. The same story for the contact only, or for company, or only for company. So I'll create contact plus company. So that lead moved from leads, but now you got that lead in deal, this one. So if you go inside, you will see that the same data you already got here from about currency, and also you created contact. And to point, I want to point your attention that I put the data for the name, for fields name and surname, but it created the contact. Also, we created the company as well. So then you can move that deal and through the stages, and that deal could be success or unsuccess or lost, wherever, it doesn't matter. But the main difference is that leads is data which you're not sure is your potential client or not. Deals is about your potential client. So that's it for now. If you like that video, click like. If you have questions, ask your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.